Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error when Telegram says this channel cannot be displayed. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to visit any Telegram channel, but when you tap on its link, you get an error message telling you that this channel cannot be displayed, then there are a few ways to get around this issue. The first thing to check is if you have the correct link to this channel, and if the channel invite link is still active. If it isn't, you will need to request for a new channel invite code or link in order to access the channel. If using the correct link still doesn't fix your issue, then you will need to see if the Telegram application is installed to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device, and simply search for Telegram. Once you find the Telegram application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just tap on it and wait for a while, and once you see the open button once again, you can tap on it to open it up and see if your issue is fixed. If this still doesn't help, then long press on the Telegram application and tap on the info button at the top right corner. From there, first tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner and then tap on storage. From the storage page, tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner to clear the application cache. Then tap on Manage Storage to clear the application data as well. Then you can go back and open up the Telegram application and you will need to log into your account once again. But after this, your error will be fixed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix Telegram error when you receive a message saying this channel cannot be displayed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.